Sadimo air conditioner for sale, $260. Rosemead Soleus air portable air conditioner 12,000 BTU. Model PE3-12R-03. It is in new condition with original box. It come with all window kit accessory. User menu, hose, adapter, window kit, remote control. It is by Soleus Air 12,000 BTU working in excellent condition. 12,000 BTUs portable AC 24-hour on-off timer sleep mode energy saver earth friendly 410A refrigerant auto mode heavy duty casters remote control. Product dimension 17.7 WX19 DX32.75 H. Product weight 81 pounds. Only for $260. Call or text 62665630055 Tom. It comfortably cools a space up to 500 square feet. Do not contact me with unsolicited services or offers.